Have you ever noticed how the strongest people in life are never truly alone? Their real power comes from the hands they hold, the hearts that stand beside them, and the unity that protects them. Today's story reveals a truth we often forget. When we stay together, we survive. And when we break apart, we fall. At the edge of a quiet forest, a bright green pasture stretched like a soft carpet of peace. There lived 3 cows, one black, one white, and one brown. They were more than just companions. They were inseparable friends. They grazed together, played together, and rested every night side by side. One afternoon, a starving lion wandered near the pasture. His eyes lit up the moment he saw the 3 healthy cows, but he knew he stood no chance as long as they stayed united. So he hid and waited for the day they would drift apart. But that day never came. Frustrated, the lion hatched a cunning plan. The next morning, he approached them with a fake, gentle smile. "My dear friends," he purred, "what a pleasure to meet such beautiful creatures." The black and white cows instantly looked away. They knew very well that lions don't come with friendship. But the brown cow, soft-hearted and innocent, smiled back. She welcomed him. Days later, the lion whispered to her, "Have you noticed how the white cow looks so different? If I eat her, then at least the 3 of us, you, me, and the black cow, will look similar." The brown cow hesitated, but eventually agreed. While she distracted the black cow, the lion killed the white one. Time passed. Then the lion returned with another poison-filled whisper. "Brown cow, now only you and I look alike. The black cow is different from us. Let me remove her too, and then peace will return." Once again, the brown cow agreed, and once again, the lion killed. Now the brown cow stood alone in the pasture, falsely proud. "I'm the only one left," she thought. "The lion won't harm me. We are the same." But one day the lion came, hungrier than ever. He roared so fiercely that the ground shook. "Today it's your turn." The brown cow's voice trembled. "But I trusted you. I did what you told me. You said we were the same." The lion laughed wildly. "Foolish cow! Lions have no friends. I was only waiting for the right moment." And that day, he attacked her just as he had the others. This story teaches us a heartbreaking truth. When we let others break our unity, we hand our